Beware the moon, lads.
Surely there is nothing to fear from this sweet, gray-haired old lady. But don't let me pull the wool over your eyes. See for yourself what lies beneath those covers. And now, on with the show!
Freefalling, cannot see, I analyze myself. The right legs and a careless smile, I come on by myself. I can't hang back, not now, night, night. Can I be the only?
The wolf's bloodline must be severed. The last remaining werewolf must be destroyed.
Freefalling, cannot breathe, I just have to find my needs. Intended to be right, I blame it on my greed. Can I buy my second chance? Can I be the only one? And I'm getting on the altar, and I'm starting to lose my grip. Am I staring at the sunlight? Am I waiting in the wings?
Go! Stay on the road. Keep clear to the moors.
Freefalling, cannot see, sacrifice my needs. She's talking me CFU, she's got me on my knees. The moment I keep telling you, can I be the only one? And I'm getting on the altar, and I'm starting to lose my grip. Am I staring at the sunlight?
You really scared me, you shithead!
In the wings. And I'm getting on the altar, and I'm starting to lose my grip. Am I staring at the sunlight? Am I waiting in the wings? Sometime I know,
I feel so helpless, sitting around here doing nothing.
Woe to you, O earth and sea, for the devil sends the beast with wrath, because he knows the time is short. Let him who hath understanding reckon the number of the beast, for it is a human number. Its number is 666.